Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys do not know me, my name is Religion, and if you guys do know me, hi. So today I'm going to be making some clear slime. I actually already made it in part 1. This is part 2, guys. But,
You got 10 minutes to get that shit done and get your ass in the bed.
No, let me
I'm not doing it.
I know, I'm going to. It's not going to be long. A lot of. Anyway, so I'm actually almost done making the slime, guys. I just gotta add just a little bit more activator and then put some color in it. But other than that, I'm technically done. Or no more activator, depending on how sticky the frickin' slime is. Sorry, excuse my language. But guys, this slime is sticky enough. I still want it to be stretchy. I'm pretty sure that's how they want it to be too. I'm not going to add too much to where it can over-activate it, but I'm going to add enough to where it's activated enough, but it can still stretch like this. See this, guys? This is how most people like their slimes. Like, I like my slimes like this. Hold on. It's because it's activating, it stopped stretching. It's not stiff, guys. But Caitlin and Cassidy, if you guys are watching this video, I'm not going to say their last name because if you know them, you know them. But if you don't know them, then you don't need to. Because I don't want to give them any disrespect. So Caitlin and Cassidy, if you guys are watching this video, make sure you guys subscribe, like both videos, part 1 and part 2, and hit the notification bell so that I know that you guys are watching and getting every single one of my videos that I post, and that you guys like them. So yeah, I'm not done. I'm just saying make sure you guys do that. So let's give a shout out to them. Caitlin is the one that gave me the ring that I talked about a while back ago. It's not going to be much longer because, guys, I think I'm done activating it. So I'm going to put my activator away and literally like stop activating it. So that's done. And then I mixed it together pretty good. So we're going to split it in half, I believe. So I'm going to roll it in a ball like this. Well, I'm going to try. I'm going to attempt to roll it in a ball and then let it flatten out. You know what? I don't got time for that. Let's just, boom. One's bigger than the other, I think. Let's get that out for me. Let me see this one. Okay, I'm just looking at this one, seeing how big it is. I think it needs a little bit more. Is this good? Let me see. Let me see this one.